Welcome to Foreigner in the Philippines. So we got grocery to deliver. So we got rice, noodles, and the rest of canned goods and coffee and milk that will good for the health. And also 1 month consumptions. So mauni ang balay ni Lovely. So these are the things that we just did. Wa malagi na nahuman. Ha? Ano man ni nahuman nga na naman toy grabag sa minto.
Ha? Man paigo ang saminto, day?
Wa paigong sa minto?
Hmm?
Nang bongbong, hay man tong bongbong ang ipalit.
Kasi ilang silong, day?
Ngano man gi tap-tap.
Ako nagbagos ko ani day kahang itambal ni Dudong. Di mo ba?
Yeah, I got already I bought them cladding already, but it's only they didn't finish it, so they do it once his son is available to work. Yeah, so this is the grocery for them. Mo na imuhang pagkaon rong buwan na. Abli.
Sili sila.
Ibutang ko na imuhang kuan.
Budget nila, day?
So they got rice. So because they got some lot of rice, so I priority the food so that they don't need to worry.
Salamat, ano day?
Bukhara.
Ha?
Ibutang diha kuan ng kuan lamisa. Aw ka ng planggana. So hopefully by in the following weeks they could able to close this. So the hollow block that we bought and the cement is not enough. So we bought cladding, and some of them they use and some is under the undernet. So, ikay kuan, ikaw. Ang sama na gatas.
Noodles.
So they got noodles, they got milk, they got coffee, and they got some corned beef. They got some canned goods. You know. So the grandmother is very happy because it's a lot. As I said, I priority the food because so far they got a lot of rice here. So I prioritize so that they don't need to worry their dish every meals that they have. So they got coffee every morning. They got milk.
Ano, kaluluo yan ng imong bayad dahil pag hindi mo humanday. Magulog lang. Ako lagi nyung papalitan rumat. Kan rumat kung kita ginagmay raman, hukto mas bukas.
And I also they got dried fish.
Naadoy, di siya ka pamasa. Katarbaho day, basta magsigig uwan. Magsigig sa bilangan.
So the other thing on that, when you build the house, materials is expensive, and at the same time the labor. So they do what we can and what we have. But so far they don't need to worry because there's already roof under their head. So nalipay ka. Kadito sa. Nalipay ka.
Ha?
Nalipay ba daw ka?
Nalipay ko day, oy.
No, nalipay man ka.
Yan na may ka ng kayuhan. Ano pag dihinaw?
Nalipay ka.
Ngayon mo hindi tagaan og grasya. Kaya kinilagi intang kubro.
Ang samray mong sudan.
Ha?
Ang samray mong sudan.
Nag-utan ko ganas kamunggay og sa gisubaka ng noodles sa kabuok. Nakuha ko.
Pila man mo mukaon ana? Pila man mo kabuok mukaon?
Ha?
Pila man mo kabuok mukaon? Sa usa ka noodles?
Tuan ming mukaon. Unom.
So they only have. So I asked her what's their dish tonight, and she said it's only one noodles with malunggay leaves, and they eat 6 of them. So that's why I prioritize the noodles, the canton, and the miswa and the udon. You know. So this is their dish. So I'll check it out. So that's what their dish for tonight. So as you seen, it's very small, and they are 6 that will eat on it. You know, because Lovely got 4 siblings, the Lola and her son. You know. Mao ba? So kanya nasa man ni mahurot?
Dai og wala mo ko an nga lain dugay ni kaya una ba dito.
So kung walay mo inter.
Hindi la sila makalo.
So I asked her how long it's gonna take, and he said it will long longer because she will budget it like 1 noodles or 2 noodles for 1 day or 1 meal.
Pero di nila mo ipanghatag.
Yeah, she will keep it. She will not give it out to her other kid.
Mo man ang gikuan niya.
Sige, aron di na usa ka noodles imong kanon.
So nabalik.
Thank you so much, sir, for helping the family for their food. Thank you so much, and God bless. Sending our thanks from Bohol. Nasalamat.
Thank you, sir.
Salamat, Day. Salamat kaayo.
Thank you, and God bless.
At na ikaw bumalik, Day.
Oh.
Wala rin agbuwan. Lubak lagi akong giingnan. Pauli nga rin kayo naghubak-hubak ka. Udahan naman na kanginan ka. Ay, ikaw na yung kape. Naulang lang yung kape guys. Ito mo kapainit. Ini ito bunta. Dito, kanong yung pranin. Ito na